ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Talang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Menteri Ketenaga Disaster Management ke Sarkar Jelau ba Kermenchela hak Hendro Trik Jemang Arja Apsau. Ulai thu ba jing ther jong ulaba Phria ba jing be kerthep jong ke Erïong hak jan mit sing ulai ke santrik Jemang Arja Apsau. Kala Julor haduk saus pa prapulai Tylli Ïing bat palat arp khundai Tylli Community and Rural Development Block kila Shakta hapok ke Jela Meghalaya borok khwei. Hak jing kan bigla pathai khubor ulai thu ba kat kum ke jing khen bal ai State Disaster Management Authority. Ula pentip ba jing dan jing beri ke Shakta hagani ke jingwan hab Phria uslam bar ke Erïong kalakot syak kendai spa sau kendai ngun haborok ke wei ke Jela. Menteri ulai thu ba SDMA kala pentip balai Tylli ke CNRD blok ki bala Shakta hak jinglin shop ke Erïong mat uslap ubajur kilong ke mau ringkeneng ke mau kunro pat ke mau plang blok ke SDMA kala batha ya barok ke District Disaster Management Officer ban shim ye ke sin jam ban le ai jing arab ya ki beri ke Shakta.
I have a report with me which yesterday the 5th May there are 7 districts has been affected, which is the East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Jaintia Hills, East Jaintia Hills, South Garo Hills, and Southwest Khasi Hills. These are the 7 districts which was affected yesterday, and some village has been affected under this district. In East Khasi Hills, we have Mau Rengkneng, Mau Kenreu, and Mau Plang, and we have also Nong Stoin and Mau Shinrut in East West Khasi Hills, and Mairang in Eastern West Khasi Hills, Thatlaskane and Amlarem in West Jaintia Hills, Wapung and Saipung in East Jaintia Hills, and we even have Dinchenrom village in East Jaintia Hills. We have Bakmara, Chokpot are affected in South Garo Hills, Maukarwat in Southwest Khasi Hills. So all these number of villages affected, we have 483 houses which are affected due to hailstorms and then cyclonic storm and then strong wind, heavy rainfall has occurred yesterday. So and as per the number population affected, we have roughly 949 numbers which are some under assessment, and the number which we already got is 949. But sad to see there are some infrastructure also has been damaged, like schools, church, and even the other infrastructure. But even I've heard, we just got a report just now regarding with the today's incident, today the 6th. Nongstoin, under Nongstoin CNRD block, which fall under West Khasi Hills, Mau Kawa village, Mau Langniang village, Seidli village, Pendingre village, Mau Ngap village, Urkali village, Umsao village, Mau Langniang village, and Mau Khan village. These are the villages affected today under Nongstoin CNRD block, and even Dinchenrom also got affected. So regarding this, there are few steps has been taken by our Deputy Commissioner of those concerned district. So they have tried the best to give some support and then some relief. Some are partially damaged, but I really don't have the exact figure with me how many numbers of house is fully damaged. So that's why the Deputy Commissioner give the immediate relief, so that to take care and then give instant support to them. Now there are 2 schools under Mairang. As per the number I have with me is number 1, Mairang is there, 413 approximately, and then comes to Nongstoin, which is more than 200 plus, around 200 to 50 plus numbers, and then the rest, and then 159 we have in Mau Karwat, and then 57 in Mountain Road. We have 18 in Wapung, and then 7 in Saipung, and then Chokpot we have 42, and then 3 in Mau Kandreu, and even others also I don't have, because I don't read it randomly. I just read randomly. So these are the most affected. Yes, no doubt we are on high alert, and we try our best to do, to give our service to the people. But it's just that nothing lies just in our hand. We need each and every one of us to come and then join hand and work together, so that then only we can protect each and every one. Otherwise, it's very difficult, because we cannot reach each and every one individually. Actually, we have received this alert from time to time, and the moment we receive it, as I've been just mentioned, that we send all the messages and then this alert, the warning system, to everyone as much as we can read, so that people will be alert and then take care of themselves. As of now, we don't have the numbers, because this will take time. The immediate relief has been sent, because the amount of money which was present with the deputy commissioner, that can be utilized for the immediate relief. But what will be the cost of all this, that will take time. We put at the beginning it was 20 lakh, and after that we increase it. So what is the amount left with them? I really don't have the number with me, but whenever there's a money, we don't, the needed of money to be filled, so that can be done immediately. So as of now, the deputy commissioner can utilize the existing money which is there with them. Norms allow, we will love to extend our support. Because we are strictly prohibited, and we have to follow as per the norms. So if the norms allowed, we would love to, which are not under the norms. So I believe that our chief minister will do the needful from the state. The commissioner of those concerned and the BDOs of that particular block, they try as per, from time to time we have witnessed this flood in different areas of our state. So they have been guided, and then they follow the rules, and then as per guided. And then I believe that they will try to save the life of those people who will be affected, and hopefully it should not, we will pray that things should not occur to that much, so that we will not be able to help them. No doubt the message and the alert and the warning has been sent from our department. The moment we receive this, the warning from the IMD, which is India Meteorological Department. So as soon as we get it, we forwarded it through SDMA, SE, OC. We issue this warning and then send it to all our, district, so that the needed, so that the concerned deputy commissioner will take the necessary step to inform the public. And we have sent thousands and thousands of messages, and then the alert message, so that people will be alert. So for this, number one is that what I feel the most important is that we should take care of ourselves, especially whenever we receive this kind of message. We should be alert. Otherwise, it's very difficult, to take care and then to guide individually. But it's just that if they really work together with us, and I believe that we can, save loss of life.